Hello everyone, welcome to the Pink Agency. My name is Whitney and today I'm definitely feeling a beautiful pink glittery holiday look. I'm so excited, I'm so inspired to do this pink glitter look because look what I got. Oh my gosh, this is the cutest, the biggest tumbler I've ever seen. I actually had to go finish my holiday shopping this morning, so I found this beautiful, perfect pink cup. And it was only like $10. It was $10. What a steal. And this definitely inspired my my holiday look for today. One sec. I actually made myself a nice warm cup of coffee with a dash of mocha flavor. It is delicious. But anyways, so I actually already primed my face with the e.l.f. Power Grip. You see that? And as always, I'm going to go in with my favorite NYX concealer. This is actually called the Bear With Me, but I don't know why I call it my handy dandy concealer. And I'm going to go in with that new sponge that I got the other day, that Power Focus Real Technique sponge. Okay. All right. So I know everybody puts on eyeshadow differently, but I love using my fingers to pack on the eyeshadow. So I'm just going to go in with my Nude Bliss and put my finger into this shadow, pink shadow, beautiful pink shadow called Captivate. It definitely is captivating. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. And I actually never used this shadow before. Oh, that's so gorgeous. All right. I'm gonna do just like a nude transition shade. This one is called Doll. Fallout here. That's right. We'll go in and clean it up. So now with a clean blending brush, I like to go in with this other shade. I'm gonna go in with this slightly brown shade called Medieval. And just gently pack that on over the edges of everything. I don't want it to be too deep today. Just a pretty pink all over the lip. I love that. I'm actually going to do my eyebrows off camera because, the same as always, I always use the Brow This Way by Rimmel, and it takes forever for me to do it. 1 second. As usual, I always get a phone call right when I'm trying to do my videos. I'm going to put a little bit of this e.l.f. Putty Primer before I move on to the concealer. I like to put a little bit on my forehead just to fill in whatever fine lines I have. A little bit on my nose. I'm going to set the concealer with that new Laura Mercier translucent powder. It's not new formula, it's just new packaging, which I am so happy about. What are you guys going to cook for Thanksgiving, for Christmas? I am actually hosting for my family Christmas dinner in my place, and I'm so excited. I went to go buy like all the foods that I'm gonna cook. I'm gonna make like a roasted ham. I'm gonna do like a couple of like our culture dishes, like rice, beans, pozole, which is like a really hearty soup. So here's the deal. I know I got that new, where is it? That new Essence powder foundation. This is definitely a miss. It's not a hit, it's definitely a miss, because I put it on a couple of times. I wore it out through the day and it made my skin very itchy. It smells bad, not a good shade color for me, so that is a pass. So I'm just gonna go in with my e.l.f. powder foundation. I'm gonna do a little bit. I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. Complexion Duo brush to do my bronzer. I feel like this is one of the best brushes to apply any powders. I am going to finish the eyes. I'm just gonna do black liner, but only halfway on the rim. So for the middle of the eye, what I've been doing is taking like a small brush, like a pointed, flat-ended brush. Make sure like it's pointed, and then dip into the glitter and run that in the middle, like on the inner corner of my eye. So I'm gonna dip in here. And try my best not to poke myself. So I'm just gonna hit these lashes with some mascara. You know what I should have done first? I should have wiped off this excess powder that I have. Jeez. Oh boy. I smudged a big chunk of mascara under my eye. Do you see that? before I move on, I'm gonna put this Stay All Day Lou setting spray. Wow, I love this look. I hope you guys like this look too. Thank you so much for watching, and please be sure to subscribe so you can be part of our wonderful pink, oh my god, to be part of our wonderful pink agency, which is where we come together and we empower each other, we spread positivity, kindness, and just lots and lots of love here on this channel. So I would love to have you a part of it. I hope you're all safe, you're happy, and you're healthy. Until the next one, bye.